When it comes to public infrastructure, every decision matters. Local authorities face complex challenges balancing aesthetics, functionality, and long-term sustainability.
Hi, I'm Anna McAleer, and at Tobermore we've had the privilege of working with over 150 local authorities across the UK and Ireland on over 350 projects. We understand the unique challenges councils face when it comes to planning and development. We know that there are three main considerations for local authorities when choosing products: availability, price and maintenance. Projects like housing developments or public spaces often span several years, and local authorities want reassurance that products will still be available. Managing budgets through stable, competitive pricing is crucial. Durability is key too, as councils need products that require minimal maintenance over time. The Leeds Public Transport Investment Programme is a great example of where Tobermore's products played a critical role. This project needed durable, cost-effective solutions that also met design and functionality requirements. By working closely with landscape architects and civil engineers, we helped deliver a result that's built to last. Sustainability is increasingly important to local authorities, with many councils asking about carbon footprint, recycled content and compliance with British standards. Our products meet these needs, helping local authorities achieve their sustainability targets without compromising on quality or functionality. Local authorities often collaborate with landscape architects and civil engineers to ensure that projects not only look good but work well over the long term. At Tobermore, we support both the aesthetic vision of the practical needs of the project, whether it's sub-base requirements or ease of maintenance. Our goal is to deliver products that meet both design intent and functionality. We've built strong relationships with over 150 local authorities, helping them meet their project goals, whether it's public realm improvements, housing, education or leisure developments. These partnerships are built on trust and our ability to deliver on their specific needs. At Tobermore, we don't just supply products. We're here to support local authorities every step of the way, offering design tools, technical advice and services to ensure your projects are completed on time and on budget. Whether it's a heritage site, housing project or public space, our team is here to make hard landscaping easy and to help you succeed.